When somebody asks you, how are you doing? Definitely you are going to reply, I am okay, I'm doing fine, everything is good. Then in Esan language, how are you simply mean, but yeah. Then if maybe elderly men or whoever that asks you, but yeah. So how you going to reply? First of all, you have to know what is the meaning of but yeah. But yeah in English language simply mean, how are you doing? How are you doing? But yeah. Then you have to reply, say, Odianosin. What does it signify? Odianosin, what does it mean? Odianosin simply mean, I am okay. I am okay. But yeah, Odianosin. How are you? I am okay. That is what it means. How are you doing? Odianosin. But yeah, Odianosin. How are you doing? But yeah, I am okay. Odianosin. So that is how it means. Then we have how are you? How are you doing? That was the first one. Now we have how are you? How are you? It's also the same thing more or less, but yeah. How are you? The first one say how are you doing? And the second one is asking you, sorry, how are you? But yeah. Then you have to reply like this. Oh dear me. What does it simply mean? Oh dear me in English, that is Esan language. Then in English language, you can say I am doing perfectly well. I am doing perfectly well, which is oh dear me. Very correct. How are you doing? I am okay. How are you? But yeah. Oh dear me. I am doing perfectly well. So we move ahead. The next one of it, we have how is your body? How is your body? That is how it sounds in English language. Then in Esan language, which we are dealing on, it say Egbe no se. How is your body? Egbe no se. Don't get it twisted. It sounds somehow, but that is how it is. How is your body? Egbe no se, which is question mark. Then how you going to reply? If I ask you how is your body? My body is fine. I'm okay. My body is good. Then Egbe no se. If somebody asks Egbe no se, it simply means how is your body? Then you have to reply. How do you feel? Really, you have to reply the person. My body is good. It's good. I'm okay now. My body is good. It almost looks similar, but that's just a little tricky different in it. So in Esan language, when somebody asks you, Egbe no se, you simply reply, Ofure. My body is okay now. My body is good. Egbe no se. How is your body? Egbe no se. My body is good, my body is fine. Egbe no se me ofure. Egbe me fure. Maybe you are not feeling fine, just ask you, how is your body? Now I hear that you are not, Egbe no se, bokijaye. Egbe no se, bokijaye nya. Sometimes we do say it like that. Egbe no se, bokijaye nya. How is it now? You say Egbe no se me ofure. You say generally ofure. Egbe no se me ofure. So that is how it is in the Esan language. When somebody asks you, how is your body? Egbe no se, it might end like that, or Egbe no se bokijaye. My body is fine, or Egbe no se me ofure. That is how it is in Esan language. It's not that too hard, but just because we have added to another man's language, that is just it. So we have this very other one, which I saw. Are you okay? Maybe you are not physically fit before, and eventually you appear in a place where it's supposed to be people that are physically fit, you know, maybe in a race, somebody hear that you are not feeling fine, instead of you they pick other people. Now all of a sudden you showed up. Now the person is going to ask, are you okay? I heard, are you okay? Are you physically fit? In other words, are you physically fit? Then how are you going to reply? Sometimes you can say, maybe he ask you, are you okay? Egbe dying. Can you say, yeah, yes, yeah, same thing. So, or Egbe dying, in the sound language, sorry, all those one was English language. Then in the sound language, you say, Egbe dying. What does it mean? Let me break it down once again. Are you okay? Are you okay? In English, you can say, yes, I'm okay. Then in the sound language, we say, Egbe dying. Or Egbe dying. Egbe dying, you quote it like that. Or you want to complete the sentence, Egbe dying. You understand what I'm saying? Are you okay? Are you okay simply mean Egbe dying. Then if you want to reply, you say, are you okay? Yes, I am okay. Or are you okay? You can simply say yes. I use a short form of it. Then in Esan language it's going to be Egbe dying. You can simply say yes by ehe. Or if you want to complete the sentence, you can say, as they ask you Egbe dying, you can simply say ehe Egbe dying. See the full sentence of it. So friends and family, the most important thing is the greeting here. I will urge you in every of my lessons. I do always urge you so guys, I don't want you to be a hearer only, but also I want you to be the doer of it. After you have watched me, you have write it down, I want you to be practicing it. How do? You meet your brother, your sister, or whoever that lives around you by practicing it with them. In the morning, instead of telling the person good morning sir, good morning ma, why don't you just start? If you are a male by sex, you can just start by saying Esan, or why, which is good morning sir, or in the afternoon ara wine, good afternoon sir, in the evening ara, as usual. Then the female of it, in the morning you say doeje, afternoon DJ, then in the evening Ejisan. So this is how, when you continue like this with time to time, before you know it, you are on the way. By the time when you go to your grandmommy area, your granddad, so it will be a difficult thing for you to start executing. You understand? So that is how it is. I can say, let's call it a day from now. We hope to see you in our next episode. I pray for you. Our God should keep you safe and sound. We'll see you once again. Bye. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.